Hey everybody, it's Lewis Porter Jr. So I've got a package here in the mail, and if I've got a package, you can kind of guess what it is. I think I know what it is, but I'm not really sure. This will be kind of cool. So this is my unboxing video, I'm gonna call it, even though it's not really in a box per se. This is a box, box like. Okay, so this is. Oh, there's two books in here. That's good. There's two books in here, and the two books that are in here are. I'm gonna throw this to the side so you can get to all this fun stuff. Mosaic Trust, United Sentinels. So let me go first with Mosaic Trust, because this is one we did initially. That the printing got changed on this, and it made an error, and I couldn't replace it. And I was like, "Oh no, that's not how I want it." But now I'm looking at it. I should. It's gonna be weird since I've been doing it over my shoulder. Um. Okay, that's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Let's see. That's right. So, oh, there's the one I gotta check because, oh, that's right. That's right too. Okay, so everything looks right. Let's back in the end. All right, one page. Yep, everything looks perfectly right. So, ta-da! Oh, one little small thing. Our logo on the back. This is an issue that's been popping up. They're having an issue with their logo. I don't know why. Um, it's the good lord, it's the Amazing Universe logo. That's supposed to be my logo. It's right there. It's there. Um, that's kind of sad. Everyone has a price. Everyone does have a price. And second, United Sentinels of America. Ta-da! So let me spin around again over the shoulder. The technique I'm using now for this one. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's just the way I'm doing it. All right, that looks right. That looks right. See, some artwork from Jacob. That looks right. That looks right. Oh, that one even looks pretty good because it got in there. Okay, that's kind of cool. So I'm looking at the design stuff that I did, and I noticed I was like, oh, I gotta push this thing over here. Maybe I'll wrap it around. Maybe I won't. Like this one, I wrapped it around. Okay, it's all looking pretty good. So, yep, yep. These look pretty good. Pretty good. Ta-da. Ooh. So yeah, I guess we're all done. And then see, that's weird. This one doesn't have a last page that's blank. That one does. Oh no, there it is. See, I was wondering. Thought that was weird. But all good. So, what does that mean? Well, that means by the time you see this video, we will have two additional books on sale online as print on demand. So you can order. So all the people who are fans of our stuff and want to do print copies, we have them readily available, so you can get them. I'm gonna get this up as soon as possible, and you can enjoy buying stuff now. As always, thanks for your support. I really appreciate it, and I'll talk to you all later.